Feeling overwhelmed by your marketing projects? Let's ditch the chaos and unlock marketing productivity with Trello. First, create a Trello board for each major marketing initiative, like a content calendar or a social media campaign. Think of your board as the central hub for that project. Click the plus sign to start a new board, give it a relevant name, and choose a background that inspires you. Within your board, set up lists to represent the different stages of your workflow. Common lists include to-do, in progress, review, and completed. Customize these to match your team's unique process. Simply click at a list to create new lists. Now, populate your lists with cards, each representing a specific marketing task. This could be writing a blog post, designing an ad, or scheduling a social media update. Click at a card to create your first card. Inside each card, add a detailed description. Assign team members using the Members feature. Set due dates for deadlines, and upload any relevant files using the Attachment feature. Break down complex tasks further by creating checklists within each card. This ensures no step is missed and makes progress tracking a breeze. Just click checklist inside a card to start creating them. Use labels to categorize your cards. A type of content, platform, or priority. Color-coded labels offer a visual way to quickly understand the status and nature of each task. Click labels to it and edit labels. Supercharge your boards with PowerUps. The Calendar Power provides a visual overview of your deadlines. Other PowerUps can integrate with tools like Google Drive or Slack for seamless collaboration. Click PowerUps and add what you need. Once a task is complete, move the card to the completed list. Archiving old cards keeps your boards clean and focused, but you can always revisit them for reference. Track your team's performance by monitoring card movement and completion rates. This provides valuable insights into areas for improvement. Trello enhances team collaboration by providing a transparent and organized view of all marketing activities, making sure everyone is on the same page. Start using Trello today and transform the way you manage your marketing.